Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates, and today we want to talk about the new pin frogs that we're carrying. We have the metal pin frogs in two sizes, and it's the 1.75 and the 225. Those are available out of regular inventory. There are going to be other sizes available on a pre-booked, but some of the new features that they have a rubber base. So when you put them into the little pots, then they don't slide around. So these two are metal, and so you can see how they can create a great design. Here's an example of a new way to use it. So this could be for weddings and events, a rental piece, and using some different ceramic small containers and creating a new style when they want a bud vase. So rather than the glass vases going down the table, you could use some stoneware and create a new look. And you can see here, I just got a couple single stems in and how beautiful that would look going down the table. Here you can see that I've done a design in an urn pedestal type container and just using kind of one of each stem of flowers. So let's take a look at creating one of those designs. Here you can see I just got a simple pedestal design, and I have the larger, the 2.25 pin frog on. You can bring these in for your customers that are looking for a sustainable option, or also use them as rental pieces for weddings and events to create some different looks. You can see our completed design. So we do see lavender and peach and pink tones coming into fashion for weddings and events for the upcoming seasons. So I hope you'll take these ideas and create some fabulous florals for your customers.